everyone, this is Rose, and I welcome you to my random channel. This is just gonna be a random haul. I got makeup and some accessories, and so I'm just gonna get into it. And I'm gonna show you the ugliest item first. I'm gonna quickly insert, hopefully I can find these pictures because I just did a factory reset to my phone because I'm getting a replacement phone in a couple of days, of the condition of this palette when I received it from Sephora. Now I don't know if Sephora is to blame or the postal service is to blame. I remember when I opened the box, it wasn't really securely wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap. But yeah, I ordered my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I got the Soft Glam one, and I actually ordered this originally as a prize from a 1,000 subscriber giveaway that's going on my channel. It may still be going on right now. If it is, I'll annotate it, and then I will link in the cards that video if you care to enter it. Landing on my doorstep, so crappy looking. I'm not really big on returning things. This is the condition of my palette. It's really filthy. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of this like velvet packaging. But yes, I can't really tilt this. But yeah, Anastasia's shadows are pretty darn dusty, or maybe I'm a little too heavy-handed. But basically every damaged shadow you see were the ones that came to me like completely cracked and somewhat destroyed. I'm still making use of this thing. I actually really do like this palette. I actually went 3 weeks straight of where I did nothing but different eye looks from this thing. I got my second container of the Urban Decay Velvetizer. This product is a godsend. I know there's some controversy about the packaging being old packaging that's being reused again. I mean, this product, I hope Urban Decay never discontinues this stuff because I'm gonna have to use this for the rest of my life. It keeps me matte super duper long, downplays my texture and my large pores. I love this stuff. I think this is maybe my birthday gift for this year, I think. But of course, if you're a Sephora Beauty Insider, you get things for your birthday. And so this is what I got for this year. It's from Bite Beauty. It contains, what is this? I think this is a sample of their Agave lip balm. Pretty interesting. And then I got a Amuse Bouche lipstick in Chai. And these are basically miniature versions of the full size. And it has a decent amount of product in there. And then this is their matte cream lip crayon in Glacé, which is ice cream in French. But there's the packaging. And then let's see how much product is in here. Oh, yeah, that's a decent amount of product. Here's the color right there. This is a sample of the Caudalie, the eye cream. I got a fragrance sample of the Miss Dior perfume. Some samples of the YSL full coverage concealer. And I think they were having some sort of fragrance event, and so I got like little test cards of a gazillion different fragrances, which I'm not going to go through all of. This is a Cover FX foundation sample, the Natural Finish, and the Power Play. Korean Skin Therapy Glow Cream sample, Herborian. Never heard of this company. I have a Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil sample. And then, it's another sample of that glow cream. you don't know what the RealReal is, it's like a high-end online consignment store. And I have a blog or vlog where I talk about it. It's an older vlog, but I can link that up in the cards. If you're interested in joining, I think they do have a referral program where if you sign up, you can get a $25 credit. I'll link that down below too. But these are a pair of YSL sunglasses. Now, at the time I ordered these, I thought they were cool, but now that I have them on, I feel like they kind of make me look like a drunk fly. And then I have another pair of sunglasses from the RealReal. These are Barton Carrera, which I'll admit I've never heard of, but it came in this leather case right here. And of course, these are like classic aviator style, so of course I love these. In a nice like faded brown color. And then what else I have? I have some things from Frend Beauty, which I can link them down below. Some things that I can use for special effects makeup. If you don't know, I do that on the side. This is Prozade Remover. And then I have the Skin Saver Lotion, which you would use underneath like adhesive that you would put on your skin. And then I actually have a huge bottle of Prozade, which I don't know where it is right now, but I could put a picture of it, that I also got from Frend Beauty. And then what else do I have? Let's see. I got something else from the RealReal, I believe. Oh yeah, this is a Tory Burch like cuff bracelet that wraps around. Got this from the RealReal. Came in this nice velvet pouch. And then I have a random baked elf blush in Peachy Cheeky. And then what else? I think I bought this for a special effects tutorial, but this is a Maybelline Lasting Drama Eye Studio waterproof pencil in white. And I think the last thing I have to show is from the RealReal as well. And may she rest in peace. But this is a Kate Spade bracelet. One of her famous bow bracelets that I got. And I think this is gonna be it for this random haul. Anything that I can find links for, I will put down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. Wow, this is really quick, short haul. But anyway, and don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.